man. This is it. Yeah! Woo! All right.
Sinkers or floaters, floaters or sinkers. Either way, van boat stinkers. Walk your doggy, carry a scoop. This is a song about poop. Poop can be described by so many different words. Shit, crap, jawbone, feces, mound stool. A coprophiliac loves his turds. Blackies or brownies, brownies or black. Green baby mustard coming out of that crack. Shooting out of your little brown hoop. This is a song about poop. About poop. So many different flavors. Sometimes with nuts and seeds. Liquefied, chunky, solid as a rock. Dingleberries hanging from your anal beads. Constipation, diarrhea, diarrhea, constipation. When it comes out, it's a celebration. Shooting out of your brown-eyed loop. This is a song about poop. One big mound or little turds in a groove. This is a song about poop. Cut a fart, drop your pants and stoop.